The ancient tradition of recording one's research, thoughts, and experiments on the pages of a book. Such books were called grimoires, from the word grammar, meaning records. Often, metaphorical sketches, symbols, diagrams, and schematics eliminate the need to write long texts and explanations. Codexes with compendiums are single-page notes on a particular topic and sketches or symbolic diagrams. Keeping grimoires is a practice. I try to include reference information, tables, and diagrams in my grimoire. Often, I depict symbols and notations on separate pages. I do this if I need to show and explain the meaning of certain symbols to others. Thus, a grimoire is made not only for oneself but also for conveying information for educational purposes. I keep my grimoire from the middle. I fill the pages from the middle of the book outward in both directions. Sometimes I open the book to a random place, and sometimes I plan certain topics over several pages at once. Therefore, I always have blank pages left in the book. A grimoire can be a large sheet of paper folded in a certain way to save space. It can be a diagram with notes or some reference information. Such a sheet can be unfolded and attached to a wall. Usually, I photograph the pages of the grimoire so that I can place photographs of diagrams and notes together with parts of digital text or PDF files. Sometimes, I cannot take books with me, and the loss of a grimoire means nothing since the information is recorded. A diagram can always be drawn again. Redrawing diagrams helps to memorize and visualize all these diagrams mentally. It is enough to have one or two diagrams to build an entire book with descriptions and explanations around them. This is how the book Arcanum Structuratum came about. It is a couple of dozen images from my grimoire, to which descriptions of the elements of the scheme structure are added. The hypercube and tetractys. Tarot and geomancy. Socionics, metapsychology, and MBTI. Alchemy and astrology. All of this is what Arcanum Structuratum carefully connects and integrates. It is a universal guide to mental systems. This will be enough to join in studying practices, understanding one's existence, and finding answers to complex questions independently. You will find links to download the book in PDF format attached to this video.